Hey, what's up, guys? I'm about to publish my latest book today, HowExpert Guide to Affiliate Marketing, the ultimate handbook for profitable niches, targeted traffic, and maximizing sales for your affiliate marketing business. Okay, before I get into publishing to all the platforms, let me show you the table of contents. Okay, let me show you behind the scenes for the book. The table of contents. Let me read it real quickly, okay? Chapter 1, the foundations of affiliate marketing. This is a topic that I really care about because, I've been an internet marketer for 15 plus years full time. And internet marketing, as we used to call it nowadays, a lot of people call it digital marketing. Well, back in the days, we called it internet marketing more than digital marketing. But internet marketing changed my life. I used to be a broke convenience store clerk, and I hated that job. And from there, I said, I'm going to go for my dreams with internet marketing to be a full-time internet marketer. And I failed. But I kept on going and kept on going. And next thing you know, I've been a full-time internet marketer for 15 plus years. I may not be the top guru of gurus, but I'm an everyday internet marketer just showing proof that anyone can do it. So anyhow, this book is about internet marketing, specifically affiliate marketing. So if you're interested, go check it out on Amazon as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook coming soon in the future. Chapter 1, the foundations of affiliate marketing. Understanding affiliate marketing basics, the evolution and growth of the industry, how the affiliate marketing ecosystem works, benefits and potential challenges, key terms and definitions for beginners. Chapter 2, mastering niche selection. The importance of choosing the right niche. Some people call it niche, but I like to call it niche. 2.2, identifying profitable niches with high demand. Tools and techniques for niche research. Assessing market trends and competition. Common mistakes to avoid in niche selection. Chapter 3, choosing and evaluating affiliate programs, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Commission Junction, and so forth. Leveraging emerging platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Selecting high commission and recurring income programs. Joining affiliate networks, Rakuten, ShareSale, and more. 3.5, evaluating commission structure and payment models. Avoiding scams and low-quality programs. Chapter 4, network marketing and its role in affiliate marketing, also known as business opportunities. Network marketing is a form of affiliate marketing as well, thanks to the internet. Understanding network marketing versus affiliate marketing. Integrating network marketing with online strategies. Building relationships for long-term success. Overcoming common misconceptions about network marketing. I think network marketing is great. Contrary to what most people have talk about it, they only focus on most people don't get results from it. Regardless, it's a great personal development system, opportunity. And, people even like best-selling author for Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, says great things about network marketing. I've done network marketing back in the days, promoting business opportunities using internet marketing, and it worked, okay? It's been a great experience and great way to, develop yourself and your business skills. 4.5, ethical considerations in network marketing. Chapter 5, building a strong online presence. Setting up a professional website for affiliates. Creating a blog to attract and retain traffic. Mastering SEO, search engine optimization, to boost organic reach. Leveraging social media channels for engagement. Expanding reach with YouTube, podcasts, and TikTok. Chapter 6, crafting high converting content. Types of content that drive affiliate sales. Writing persuasive product reviews and comparisons. Crafting effective call to actions, CTAs. Repurposing content for maximum reach. Content marketing strategies for sustainable growth. As they say, content is king. Chapter 7, driving targeted traffic to your offers. SEO strategies for organic traffic growth. Social media marketing. Best practices for affiliate success. Building and monetizing an email list. The money's in the list, as they say. Build your email list, okay? Paid advertising, Google ads, Facebook ads, and so forth. Influencer marketing and strategic partnerships, collaborating with influencers out there to promote your products. Chapter 8, maximizing conversions and boosting sales. As they say, it's all about traffic and conversions, like Ryan Dice, the interim marketer, says. So maximizing conversions and boosting sales. Conversion rate optimization techniques, CRO. Tracking performance metrics and analytics. A/B split testing for better results. Building high-impact sales funnels. Funnels, they talk about funnels these days, like ClickFunnels and so forth. Techniques for increasing affiliate commissions. Chapter 9, automating and scaling your business with AI. AI is a new topic of the day for all industries, so it's included in this book. So this book is very updated, guys. It's not an ancient book about affiliate marketing. This book is published now and for the future. How AI is changing the affiliate marketing landscape. Using chatbots and automation tools for engagement. Automating email campaigns and sales funnels. Using autoresponders and so forth, leveraging data analytics for market insights, preparing for future technological innovations. Chapter 10, strategies for scaling your affiliate marketing business. Outsourcing content creation and marketing tasks. It's power of delegation, okay? Automating processes for efficiency. Expanding into multiple niches and new markets. Building a network of affiliate partners. Strategies, such as joint ventures and so forth. Strategies for global market expansion. Chapter 11, navigating legal and ethical standards. Understanding FTC guidelines and disclosures. GDPR compliance for data privacy. Avoiding black hat SEO and unethical practices. Building trust and authenticity with your audience. Maintaining ethical standards in affiliate marketing. You got to do the right thing. Chapter 12, analyzing and optimizing your performance. Key performance indicators, KPIs for success. Using Google Analytics to track traffic and sales. Conversion tracking tools and techniques. Improving ROI, return on investment through data analytics. Competitor benchmarking for continuous improvement. Chapter 13, overcoming challenges and staying relevant and resilient, handling traffic drops and algorithm changes, dealing with burnout and maintaining motivation, managing rejection and slow growth periods, developing a resilient mindset for long-term success, strategies for staying ahead of industry changes, always adapting. Chapter 14, case studies, examples, and actionable strategies. Hypothetical case studies of successful campaigns. Breakdown of effective affiliate strategies, applying lessons learned to your own efforts. Exercises and worksheets for immediate implementation. Creating an action plan for affiliate success. Chapter 15, the future of affiliate marketing. You can find out about the future. Emerging trends shaping the industry. The role of AI, blockchain, and automation. Opportunities in emerging markets and niches. Adapting to consumer privacy and data regulations. Preparing your business for the next decade. Conclusion. Appendices such as Appendix A, glossary of essential affiliate marketing terms from A to Z. Appendix B, recommended tools, software, and resources. Appendix C, ready-to-use templates, email scripts, content calendars, etc. Appendix D, self-assessment checklists and progress trackers. Appendix E, further reading and recommended resources, resource recommendations, and so forth, about the author, about the publisher. So there you go. Very thorough book about affiliate marketing by HowExpert. Here's the cover. Shout out to my designer. Fantastic. I got the image from depositphotos.com. Let me publish it real quick, okay? Here's our Amazon details behind the scenes. I put the title, author, my brand name, description, publishing rights, primary audience, primary marketplace categories. I selected 3 keywords. I selected 7 keywords relate to this topic. And for time purposes, I'm not going to show you the entire process of publishing right now. I'm just going to get to it, except for Amazon. I'm going to show it right here. I already uploaded the manuscript, the cover, AI-generated content, question answered. I put the ISBN, which I purchased from myidentifiers.com. Save and continue. Hold on one second. Now I'm going to go with this one, actually. Okay, everything's good to go. The price, I already set it up. The royalty, 70%, $9.99 is the price. The royalty, in order to be 70% royalty, the price has to be between $2.99 and $9.99 USD. Okay, I'm gonna publish HowExpert Guide to Affiliate Marketing. This is awesome, and you know what? I'm gonna do more topics in the world of online business. I might do one about e-commerce. I might do one about drop shipping. I might do one about email marketing. I might do one about, this is a niche industry I know, so it's a lot easier to do. I can go into topics I know of. Even if I'm using AI, it's just a lot easier to go into. So I'm not going into this because this is a passion business as well. I might do a book about how to turn your passion into profit and so forth, side hustles and so forth, remote work. The list goes on and on. Okay, this is the book on Google Play Bookstore. Publish. The cover will be updated. Kobo next. Let me go to Kobo in progress. Hold on. And click on affiliate marketing. Last button to publish. Click publish for Kobo. We'll take it from here, it says, okay? Moving on. Let's go. Barnes & Noble. Save and continue. Let me get to it. I already uploaded the cover. Continue. This is Barnes & Noble process. I'll show it to you because I wasn't at the last page. This is the book details, the title, subtitle, and description. Long version and a short version. Author, put my brand name, save and continue. Okay, audience, categories, and keywords, save and continue. Price, $9.99. DRM, yes. Digital rights management. AI question, yes. Is it content in the public domains? No. Do you have an ebook ISBN? Yes. I put my ebook ISBN separated. Remove the hyphen for Barnes & Noble. Editorial reviews, just skip that one and click put on sale. Put on sale. Barnes & Noble, okay? It's published on Barnes & Noble now. Let's move on to Apple. Let me take a screenshot too for marketing purposes because I like to document the journey behind the scenes. Okay, let me go to Apple. I already set it up. So I already upload. You got to upload the EPUB file for the book file, the sample as an EPUB file, and the cover, which I already did. Continue. Here's the details: title, subtitle, author, brand name, and description. Continue. I already selected 3 categories, subcategories under it. I already put my publisher brand name and ISBN. Uploading to iTunes Connect. Says you're almost done. Go to iTunes Connect. All my other products here that were published previously. Now in the left top corner, I click on it. For Apple, I got to set up the pricing still, so let me do that. Again, I publish all topics from A to Z for my publishing brand, HowExpert. Go check out HowExpert books on all the platforms out there. Click on Rights and Pricing. And then click on Add Countries and Regions. Apply DRM, Digital Rights Management. Base currency is USD. Release date is 2 days after the pre-release date, which is pre-order days today, so 22nd. Release type is new release. Physical price is $19.99. Apple Books price, the ebook is $9.99. Select all countries. And by the way, the physical list, Apple doesn't sell the physical book, but they ask for it. So I just put the $19.99 price for Amazon. Okay, so everything's good to go here. Click continue. Still processing. I clicked on continue on the bottom. Okay, then we come to this page. I go to the bottom, click on continue. And confirm, I mean. Okay, go to the bottom again, click on done. Okay, it's pretty much finished here. Let me take a screenshot. Okay, everything's good to go. Click on done. And this will be available on Apple Bookstore, ebook store very soon. Okay, they call it Apple Bookstore. So again, go check out my latest book, HowExpert Guide to Affiliate Marketing, the ultimate handbook for profitable niches, targeted traffic, and maximizing sales for your affiliate marketing business. Go check it out. Internet marketing, affiliate marketing changed my life. It could change yours as well. Income disclaimer, no guarantees. You got to put in the work though, man. You got to put in the work, hard work. and dedication and effort and consistency, persistency, and perseverance, okay? In anything as well to achieve success. Thanks for watching. Again, click the link or check out my book on Amazon. And I'll do more books on all topics from A to Z. If you have any book topic requests that you want me to do a book on for HowExpert, let me know. Thanks for watching. Talk soon. Take care. Bye.